Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss one question of primary distribution of production overheads where certain statutory payments towards funds are given in the question. Let us read the question. The following information is supplied from the costing records of company: rent, maintenance, depreciation, lighting, insurance of stock, employer's contribution to Provident Fund. Now Provident Fund is required to be compulsory maintained by certain organizations where a fund is created called as Provident Fund. Every month from workers' salary, certain amount is transferred to Provident Fund, and similar contribution is also made by employer towards this fund. So for employers, it is an expense, it is a cost. Therefore, it is required to be included in total cost of the product. Employer's contribution to Provident Fund usually based on wages paid to the workers. Energy supervision. Here second table shows certain parameters where we can divide overheads. Floor space, square meters, number of workers, total direct wages, cost of machinery and stock of goods. Prepare statement showing apportionment of cost to various departments. We are required to record all expenses in first column. Expense of rent will be allocated based on floor space, that is in the ratio of 150 is to 110 is to 90 is to 50. Next expense is maintenance. It will be allocated based on cost of machineries in the ratio of 24,000 is to 18,000 is to 12,000 is to 6,000. Next, depreciation. This will be allocated in the ratio of cost of machinery. Next, lighting. It will be allocated based on floor space. Next we have insurance of stock. This will be allocated in the ratio of stock of goods. In case of Department D, there is no stock, so no expense will be allocated to it. Employer's contribution to Provident Fund. This will be allocated based on total direct wages. Next we have expense energy 1800. This will be allocated based on cost of machinery. Next we have supervision. This will be allocated based on number of workers. We have distributed all overheads. Now we can take total of this. In this question, we have learned how to give effect to the items like statutory payments by employer and expense like energy. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.